Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. This is part 2 of our series on keeping your car running smoothly. In this continuation, we'll continue our exploration of simple maintenance tips for maximizing mileage and ensuring your vehicle performs optimally. Join us as we uncover more key practices for optimal car maintenance. Maintenance tips. Taking care of your car doesn't always require a trip to the mechanic. With some basic understanding and a few tools, you can perform simple DIY maintenance tasks to keep your vehicle running smoothly. Let's explore some essential tips to help you maintain your car and extend its lifespan. Air filter replacement. Regularly replacing your car's air filter is crucial for maintaining optimal engine performance and fuel efficiency. The air filter prevents dust, dirt, and debris from entering the engine, ensuring a clean air supply for combustion. A clogged or dirty air filter can restrict airflow, leading to reduced fuel efficiency and engine power. Check your owner's manual for the recommended replacement interval and consider replacing the air filter yourself to keep your engine running at its best. Spark plug inspection. Spark plugs play a vital role in igniting the air-fuel mixture in the engine cylinders. Over time, spark plugs can wear out or become fouled, affecting engine efficiency and performance. Periodic inspection and replacement of spark plugs are essential to ensure proper combustion and fuel efficiency. If you notice symptoms like rough idling, poor acceleration, or increased fuel consumption, it may be time to inspect and replace your spark plugs. With the right tools and a little know-how, you can easily replace spark plugs at home and enhance your engine's performance. Battery maintenance. The battery is the heart of your vehicle's electrical system, providing the power needed to start the engine and run electrical components. Checking and cleaning the battery terminals is a simple yet crucial maintenance task that can prevent corrosion buildup and ensure a reliable electrical connection. Corrosion on battery terminals can lead to starting issues and electrical problems. By routinely inspecting the battery terminals, cleaning off any corrosion with a wire brush or a battery cleaning solution, and ensuring secure connections, you can maintain a healthy electrical system in your car. By performing these DIY maintenance tasks regularly, you can take proactive steps to prolong your vehicle's lifespan and avoid costly repairs down the road. Remember, a little effort now can go a long way in keeping your car in top condition and maximizing its longevity. Professional inspections and services. Seeking professional inspections and services for your vehicle is essential in ensuring its longevity and optimal performance on the road. Professional technicians have the expertise and tools to detect potential issues early, preventing costly repairs down the line. Let's see into the key aspects of professional maintenance that can help keep your vehicle in top shape. Scheduled maintenance. Following the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule is crucial for addressing the specific needs of your vehicle. Regular oil changes, fluid top-ups, filter replacements, and other routine maintenance tasks can significantly impact the longevity of your vehicle. By staying on top of scheduled maintenance, you can keep your car running smoothly and avoid unexpected breakdowns. Diagnostic checks. Diagnostic checks play a pivotal role in identifying hidden problems that may not be immediately apparent. Modern vehicles are equipped with advanced onboard computers that can detect issues with the engine, transmission, brakes, and more. By conducting regular diagnostic checks, technicians can pinpoint potential problems early on and take proactive measures to ensure your vehicle's optimal performance. Alignment and suspension checks. Regular alignment and suspension checks are essential for maintaining stability on the road and preventing uneven tire wear. Over time, factors like potholes, rough terrain, and everyday driving can cause misalignments and wear on suspension components. By having these checks performed regularly, you can ensure that your vehicle handles well, maintains proper tire wear, and stays safe on the road. Taking your vehicle for professional inspections and services shouldn't be seen as a chore but rather as an investment in its longevity and your safety. Trusting skilled technicians to diagnose, maintain, and repair your vehicle can make a world of difference in how it performs and holds up over time. So, make sure to schedule regular maintenance appointments to keep your vehicle running smoothly for years to come. Car maintenance is not just about keeping your vehicle in good condition. It's about ensuring the longevity and optimal performance of your car for years to come. By following the essential tips outlined in this article, you can take proactive steps to care for your vehicle and prevent costly repairs down the road. Regular maintenance tasks like changing the oil, checking tire pressure, monitoring fluid levels, and inspecting belts and hoses may seem small, but they play a crucial role in the overall health of your car. These simple practices can go a long way in extending the life of your vehicle and avoiding unexpected breakdowns. Remember, your car is a valuable investment that requires regular attention and care. By staying on top of maintenance routines and addressing any issues promptly, you can enjoy a smoother driving experience and save money in the long run. So, don't wait until it's too late. Prioritize car maintenance and enjoy the benefits of a well-maintained vehicle. Thanks for tuning in to part 2 of our series on keeping your car running smoothly. We hope you found these tips helpful for maintaining maximum mileage and performance. Be sure to check out our other content for more valuable insights on car maintenance. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.